Hey there, struggling to cook healthy meals on a budget as a couple? Trust me, you're not alone. Picture this. It's Tuesday night, you both had a long day at work, and the only thing in your fridge is half a lemon and some questionable leftovers. Right? But there's a solution. Meal prepping. It's like having a personal chef but without breaking the bank. So, why meal prep? Well, it saves you time, money, and seriously cuts down on food waste. Plus, it's super satisfying to know you've got your meals sorted for the week. Today, I'm diving into some tips and tricks to help you and your partner create delicious, affordable meal prep plans. First up, budget-friendly grocery shopping. The key here is to create a shopping list and stick to it. No impulse buys, focus on seasonal produce. It's cheaper and fresher, and don't forget to take advantage of sales and coupons. Also, buying in bulk for frequently used items can save a ton in the long run. Next, mastering the meal plan. Start by creating a diverse and balanced meal plan that fits your budget. Think about versatile ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes. For example, a big batch of roasted veggies can be turned into salads, pasta, or even tacos. Here are a couple of our go-to budget-friendly recipes. Chickpea curry, cheap, delicious, and packed with protein. Or how about a veggie stir-fry? Just throw in whatever you have on hand. Now let's talk smart cooking techniques. Efficient use of kitchen equipment is a game changer. Batch cooking saves so much time. Cook once, eat multiple times. Portioning is also key. Divide your meals into individual servings right away. And don't be afraid to experiment with slow cooking or pressure cooking. They're great for hands-off cooking and can turn cheaper cuts of meat into tender, flavorful dishes. Keeping it fresh and delicious is also important. Store your prepped meals properly to maintain freshness. Airtight containers and labeling are your best friends. Reheating can be tricky, but a splash of water or broth can help retain moisture and flavor. Finally, enjoy. Sit down with your partner, enjoy your prepped meals, and celebrate your success. Meal prepping doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and rewarding way to spend time together. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more budget-friendly tips. Happy meal prepping!